Hi, this is Linda, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to use a traditional baseball style game for safety training. So the activity I'm going to talk to you about is called Play Supervisor Safety Ball. To play, you'll need a list of prepared questions relating to the class topic, a copy of a baseball diamond, such as the one you're looking at right now, and you want to be able to have this big enough so everyone playing can see it. Some kind of marker for each team. It could be a push pin if this is hanging on a bulletin board. It could be a magnet if this is stuck to like a magnetic whiteboard, or anything else that can easily be moved around the field. You also need a die, and you also need a scorecard, which you can see shown below on this page, and some pens. So first, as I mentioned, the prepared questions, the trainer needs to write a list of at least 30 questions related to the class topic before the class begins. And when you're ready to play the game, you want to divide the group into 2 teams and have each team come up with a team name. 9 rounds, which are basically innings, should then be played. A round or inning consists of each team rolling a die and attempting to answer a question. If the question is answered correctly, the team gets to move the number of spaces rolled, starting at home plate, which is the H, and going counterclockwise 1, 2, then 3, eventually back to the H. After each team rolls a die, the trainer randomly selects a question from the prepared list and asks if the team knows the answer. If they do, they get to move the number of spaces on the die. Every time they cross home plate, they should put a mark in the appropriate box. For example, if it's a team's first turn and they rolled a 4, a 5, or a 6 and answered their question correctly, they would cross home plate, the H, during the first inning and would enter a mark in box number 1. If the team only rolled a 1, 2, or 3, even if they answer a question correctly, they would not score during that inning, which is their turn. If any team does not answer correctly during their turn, no movement happens, and it is the next team's turn to go. Teams should be encouraged to discuss each question together and come up with an answer they all agree with. At the end of 9 rounds, which are the innings, the points should be totaled and the team with the most points wins. This is a quick and easy game for really any size training class. The key is to divide the number of attendees into 2 different teams and to have your questions prepared ahead of time. That's it for Safety Supervisor Baseball. I hope this is helpful in your training classes.